Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
In Greece, shipwrecks from long ago lie in the waters of the sea. Abandoned.
The huge remains of ships rise up through the waters near the Gulf of Elefsina. Their days of sailing the world's seas are over. Now the Greek authorities are removing the ships, some of which have been abandoned for many years.
Abandoned describes something or someone that is left without needed protection or care, such as a child.
If something is abandoned, it is no longer thought of. It has been given up.
Follow us on Twitter at VOA Learn English.